photos of surgical procedures which has gone wrong. So imagine you will pay like thousands just for you to look like this. Like imagine, just imagine. Can you feel it, guys? Like how terrifying it is to shell out a lot of money just to look worse than you've imagined. Yung gumastos ka para magpaganda, pero after a while, nagiging ganito yung kalalabasan, right? And what could be the possible reasons for this? Anyone? Like you can add sa chat box, guys. If mayroon kayong idea, bukod sa mga nakalista dito sa PowerPoint, na possible reasons na nagfe-fail yung mga plastic surgery na ginagawa nila, or kaya kahit yung mga fillers lang. Because, minsan, naaapektuhan yung face natin kasi yung mga ginagamit nila na materials for that sa surgery, hindi siya verified or low quality lang. Also, the techniques used by the surgeon might not be that good. Pwede din na the skills of the surgeon, this one, it's really important, diba? Kasi yung ibang doctors or surgeons, they're very famous kasi consistent na successful yung operations or plastic surgery na ginagawa nila. No matter the face shape, the body shape, or appearance. Kasi diba, parang kahit sa skincare, meron tayong tinatawag na skin analysis para alam natin kung ano ba yung skincare na para sa atin, anong product ba yung para sa atin. Same goes with cosmetic procedure, like sa mga surgery nga. Kunwari, magpapa-redo ka ng nose mo. Ang ginagawa ng mga plastic surgeon doon, ina-analyze muna nila yung face. Yes, Sir Dennis, dapat compatible. Tama po. Dapat compatible yung um, ilalagay nila. Kunwari gusto mo magpatangos ng ilong, pero yung tangos ng ilong na gusto mo hindi compatible sa face shape mo. Yes, yes, Sir Brian, not compatible or rejected ng body yung product injected or yung implant. And ayun nga, nagva-vary naman yung reaction ng balat mo, pati yung mismong face shape mo sa iba-ibang tao. And also, according to what I've just said, not all beauty surgeons are consistent with the result of what they do. So, you really don't have the assurance that your operation will be 100% success. Like, imagine, gagastos ka ng nasa 6 digits tapos hindi ka sure kung maganda ba yung kalalabasan. Or okay, sige, let's just say your operation or your plastic surgery was successful. You have to do something on your part too. Kasi, just like any other operation, meron tayong tinatawag na aftercare for plastic surgery. I'll make my friend in high school an example. So, I have this friend in high school. Before we graduated, she got a rhinoplasty because growing up, one of her insecurities talaga is her nose. So, gusto niya, bago kami graduate ng college, she will look pretty with a, like, matangos na nose. So, ayun, according to her, after ng rhinoplasty niya, months din yung inabot ng pag-heal. Bawal kang mag-gym, bawal kang like, excessive physical activities. And also, when you lie down on your bed, you can't, like, lie down sideways. You have to do it, lie down flat on your back. So, very, din, kasi, kunwari, hindi ka naman ganun matulog talaga tas nagpa-rhinoplasty ka, 'di ba? There is a chance that your nose could be deformed. Tapos, anong tawag dito? May one time pa na parang naglalaro kami no'n, naghaharutan kaming magkakaibigan. Tas muntik na matamaan yung nose niya. Buti na lang hindi natuloy. Kasi imagine if natamaan yung nose niya, gumastos siya ng napakalaki tas made-deform lang dahil natamaan namin yung nose niya. So, that's what I was saying. It's not just about the surgeon. It also depends on how you will take care of yourself after the surgery. So, um, other techniques naman na pwede pa for cosmetic procedures, hindi lang siya surgery. It also includes fillers or injections. Sorry, naglalag yung laptop. Okay. Ayan, fillers or injections. Sobrang uso nito ngayon. Meron ding mga pampatangos ng ilong na ginagamit nila is fillers lang. And this one, this is the derma rolling. Actually, before, I was so interested with derma rolling because para siyang ano, tinatawag din nila siyang microneedling. Because this one, guys, meron siyang roller. Tas dun sa roller, may mga maliliit na needles. Tapos ang mechanism niya is igaganon siya sa balat mo para magsugat. So gumagawa ng sugat. Pagka nagsugat, magre-regenerate ng bagong skin. Eh paano pag peklatin ka, 'di ba? So hindi talaga guaranteed na kahit gumastos ka ng malaki or ano para dito sa mga fillers na 'to or itong mga derma rolling, magiging maganda ka na agad. Kasi may ibang mga nagpapa-fillers after a while, kapag hindi na talaga nila naalagaan or hindi sila hiyang dun sa naging filler, parang nagma-migrate siya. So, ang nangyayari, yung filler na nilagay kunwari sa lips mo, umabot siya dito. So, pumapangit siya tignan. Another one, guys, is the laser. So, ayan. Ayan yung mga lasers. Actually, lasers kasi, it's a method that will always have a side effect eh. To be honest, most of the time, it is accompanied by failures. Like, kasi yung mga after effects ng laser, if your skin is really sensitive, it is possible that you could also develop scars or hypopigmentation. Hindi yung hyperpigmentation na. Because with hyperpigmentation, guys, nagiging dark yung skin with hypopigmentation naman, may mga white spots. Imagine, 'di ba? Medyo pangit din siya tignan. Or like yung milia, alam niyo yung mga tiny white bumps na feeling natin normal lang. Hindi talaga siya ano, hindi normal 'yon, parang skin defect 'yon. And aside from that, actually, I want to show more photos of ano, possible side effects when you do cosmetic or aesthetic procedures. This one. But guys, this is not to scare you, okay? Just want you guys to be informed because these procedures, they cost a lot of money, like really big amount of money. And we don't want to shell out na yung pinagharapan nating pera just for you to look bad, 'di ba? So look at this, for example, this patient, she developed an abscess in her face, kagaya nga nung sabi ni Sir Dennis. And what's inside that abscess? It's her skin's allergic reaction dun sa filler. Yung sinasabi ni Sir Dennis na minsan hindi compatible yung mga nilalagay sa face mo. And how would you know naman kasi na hindi compatible, 'di ba? If hindi mo pa try. Kaya, 'di ba, imagine. So, what if I tell you that there could be a safer and better option? Will you be interested to know? Siyempre dapat interesado kayo. So, this this product, it is not only secure and efficient, it also won't require you to undergo any dangerous procedure or surgery that will have negative effects on your skin. This is the most trendy, most popular cosmetic treatment. This is Exocelestial. So, our products has four. And this is the cleanser, which is, of course, purpose is to clean your skin. Our essence, which is to activate the ingredients and prep the skin. It's kind of like a primer when you do your makeup, 'di ba? Sobrang importante ng primer. Kasi kapag hindi ka nag-primer, yung nagpapachi-pachi yung pagkaka-makeup mo. So, ayun. It works like that also. Inactivate niya yung ingredients and piniprep niya yung skin mo. And the third one is our revival cream, which is to repair the damaged skin barrier or skin cells. And last but not the least, my favorite, our sunscreen, which is for protection. And let me share with you guys the secret why this product will definitely stand out. Okay. So this is the two hero ingredient in this product. This is exosomes and NMN. So as a fellow graduate in chemistry, actually, I'm very thankful for this chemist because if not for them, we wouldn't be enjoying this product right now. So let me explain more about these two ingredients in the next slides. First one is the exosomes. Okay, exosomes, imagine your skin cells ay parang mga ano sila, tiny workers sa construction sites. So, yung mga workers na yon, kailangan nila ng information and materials sa kung ano yung dapat nilang gawin sa katawan. And yung mga exosomes, dinadala nila yon. So, ito yung cells natin, di ba? Kunwari, ito yung cells natin, ito yung exosomes. Yung exosomes ay yung nagdadala ng message sa cells para alam nila kung anong gagawin. Kunwari sasabihin ng exosomes, "Oh, ikaw, cell A para ka sa maintenance, ikaw cell B para ka sa repair, ikaw cell C para ka sa hydration." Gano'n, gano'n siya nagwo-work. So, in the world of skincare, exosomes play a very, very crucial role because they are tiny particles. Sobrang liit lang nila. Pero, yung ginagawa nila sa balat natin, or sa actually overall function ng katawan, they send out messages like little notes to tell your cells what to do. Whether it's for repairing damage in your skin cells, whether it's to produce more collagen for elasticity, or maybe just maintaining overall skin health. So, exosomes, para silang mga messenger. And then, I will show you a video how exosomes are made inside our body.
Ma'am Eliza, wala po siyang sound. Pa-click po ng share sound po.
Oh, sorry. Sorry, I didn't know. Okay, for a while. Let's just pause it. Okay, for a while. Sorry. Wait lang ha. Stop share muna natin. Sobrang kanina pa ba walang sound, guys? Sorry. Sobrang kanina pa pala walang sound. My God, I'm so sorry. For a while. Okay, share screen. Naghahang din siya, guys. OMG. Sayang, ang ganda pa naman ng video na to. Okay. Nakikita nyo ba? Kahit iganito na lang muna natin kaya. Para lang
Cells by
makita nyo.
nature work to heal,
Naghahang pa rin ba siya?
repair, and reconstruct the body. Science shows us a revolutionary way to provide true stem cell therapy, which is to provide therapy to the patient's own cells by modulating the cellular activity. This happens by introducing the patient's cells to a healthy and younger combination.
Ay, naghahang ata talaga, guys. Ayan, meron na ba? Naghahang pa rin ba? Try natin. Ito pa. Wait lang. Sorry. I'm so sorry. Okay, let's try it again.
Cells by
Ayan.
nature work to heal, repair, and reconstruct the body. Science shows us a revolutionary way to provide true stem cell therapy, which is to provide therapy to the patient's own cells by modulating the cellular activity. This happens by introducing the patient's cells to a healthy and younger combination of naturally occurring growth factor proteins and exosomes. Let's find out how exosomes are made. Inside the cell, a cell membrane forms inward, forming a special type of lipid vesicle called an endosome. Then the proteins, microRNA and messenger RNA, invaginate the endosome's membrane, forming the exosomes. Endosomes then fuse with the surface of the cell, releasing the exosomes outside of the cell. Due to the observation of this process, historically exosomes were believed to be a waste byproduct of cells. But when researched further, and it was discovered that, in fact, These are the mediating mechanism involved in direct cell-to-cell communication. These produce an anti-inflammatory response due to the communication from the many proteins that downregulate inflammatory proteins. Other proteins will then recruit stem cells to the area that will help unregulate these cells to proliferate and promote organized healing through the regulated process. Then once the task is complete, there are additional proteins that tell the cells when the healing has been completed. These exosomes, with the presence of over 1,000 plus growth factors, are being regarded as one of the purest forms of stem cell therapy.
Okay. So, that's our video for a while para hindi ulit siya mag-hang, guys. Ayan, nag-hang ba? Or nasubaybayan nyo naman yung video? Okay, for a while. Share screen again, guys. So sorry for that. So sorry for the hang. Ayan, okay. So, in the video, pinakita doon na kung paano nagagawa yung exosomes and kung paano siya na-discover. Kasi 'di ba before akala nila dun sa paggawa ng sa endosomes and exosomes, yung exosomes akala nila waste lang siya sa katawan natin. Pero upon further research, malaki pala yung role ng exosomes sa cellular communication na nangyayari sa katawan natin. Like siya pala yung messenger, siya yung nagsasabi na ganito yung gagawin dapat. And to add to that, research has found that exosomes have anti-aging applications by improving your skin texture. Okay, so I have a question, guys. Kapag ka sinabi na getting old or kaya matanda na, what do you think makes you look old? You can chat your answers in the chat box, guys. Binabasa ko siya. So, because me, personally, kapag ka, yes, Ma'am Tin, sa skin natin. Yes, ma'am, the wrinkles, of course, stress. Actually, ako din, kapag yun yung naiisip ko, before, takot na takot ako masyado mag-make ng facial expressions. Kasi di ba kapag yung parang very expressive ka sa face, mas mabilis ka magka-wrinkles. Actually, meron na nga akong laugh lines, guys. Pag nagkaka-laugh lines, yung mga ganun, parang tumatanda ka na. And, totoo naman, 'di ba? If you think of it really hard, your skin looks old because of its texture or if it's saggy, if it looks like very dry, if it looks very stressed. And that's what exosomes are for. It's to improve your skin texture and reverse the aging complications na nangyayari sa balat natin. And to further explain yung core technology netong product na to, it is the mechanism between these two ingredients, our exosome and our NMN. Okay, so let's start with NMN first. Think of mitochondria as a power plant. Parang siya yung nagsosupply ng energy. Kunwari, isang bahay kayo, di ba? Meron tayong parang metro. Tapos doon nanggagaling yung energy natin. Yun yung mitochondria natin. Tapos, yung NMN naman, para siyang, yun yung fuel. Fuel for the mitochondria. Kasi, yung mitochondria, marami siyang ina-affect na functions ng stem cells. Marami kasing ginagawa yung stem cells sa body natin. Pwedeng siya yung nagre-repair, pwedeng for maintenance, pwedeng for renewal, like that. So, kung very active yung stem cells mo, dapat efficient yung power plant mo. And yung exosomes, siya yung nagdadala ng signal or nung mga utos kung anong job or function kailangan gawin ng stem cell. So, kailangan lahat yan properly functioning. And ang purpose ng paggamit ng products na may ganito is to assist. Kasi when you age, narinig nyo din ba yung pag tumatanda ka na, bumababa na yung production ng collagen sa katawan mo. Same goes with other production na ginagawa sa katawan natin. Pagka tumatanda na tayo, yung pagre-regenerate ng cells natin medyo humihina na, ganyan, nagde-decline na sila. Kaya kailangan natin ng exosomes and NMN. Kasi nga, okay, NMN, ito yung fuel for your mitochondria. Mitochondria mo, yun yung parang energy source ng buong katawan mo. Tapos, yung energy source na yun, yung mitochondria, siya yung nagre-repair sa stem cells para mag-regenerate. And then, yung stem cells mo, siya yung nagpo-produce ng exosomes. So, medyo domino effect siya. Like, connected siya all in all. Ngayon ko lang nabasa yung chat ni Ma'am Sheena. Yeah, I have laugh lines too. Wrinkles kakangiti. Okay, so ayun nga. And the exosomes that we used in this product po are patented exosomes which originated from Respera company and is approved by the Californian government. So these patented exosomes, what they do is give signals to cells what job they have to do to keep your body perfectly functioning. And since very maliit lang po siya, as in maliit lang talaga, kunwari nila, hindi mo siya makikita, like you need microscope, maliit talaga siya. They are very easily absorbed sa balat natin kasi nga maliit nga. Also, meron silang lipid bilayer. And yung lipid bilayer na yun, nagpe-play siya ng crucial role sa stability and interaction ng stem cells with other cells sa katawan. So imagine, kunwari, ito yung exosomes, meron kang lipid bilayer na ganito. Kunwari, package mo sa Shopee. Ito yung package mo sa Shopee, tas bubble wrap. Ganun yung lipid bilayer. It acts as protection for the exosome. Kasi yung exosomes, ang laman nun, di ba, parang mga messages for your cells kung ano ba dapat mong gawin. So, kung hindi siya nakarating dun sa cell, na uutusan niya, pwede, kunwari, ako exosome, kailangan kong magpunta kay para sabihin sa kanya na you have to repair this. Tapos hindi ganun kaano yung support ko. Kunwari nabunggu ako, ganun. Wala nang magsasabi na kailangan i-repair, 'di ba? It acts like that, your exosomes. So okay, now that we know exosomes, basically it delivers messages which jobs to do to our cells. Ano namang effect ang meron siya sa katawan mo? Kasi syempre, alam mo lang, 'di ba? Alam mo lang na nagde-deliver siya ng message. Ano naman, right? So, exosomes, it enhance collagen synthesis. Kasi, di ba, as we grow old, kakasabi ko lang kanina na as we grow old, yung production ng collagen sa katawan natin, it declines or lessens. Also, exosomes, they contribute to tissue repair and regeneration. That's why it helps accelerate healing of your wounds. Kasi kapag nasugat ka, parang pagpagod na yung katawan mo na anuhin yung sugat mo, kaya pansinin nyo kapag very unhealthy yung tao, kapag nagkasugat sila, mas matagal gumagaling compared sa mga tao na healthy. Healthy yung lifestyle, healthy yung kinakain, healthy yung habit sa life. Mas madaling gumaling yung sugat nila. Kasi nga, parang hindi na i-impair yung function ng katawan nila. So, ayun. And also, last but not the least, exosomes, it helps in keeping your skin look nourished. Paano? Kasi nga, 'di ba, nagsisynthesize siya ng collagen sa katawan and also tumutulong siya sa pagpo-promote na bumilis yung paggaling ng mga sugat. So, ibig sabihin, mas mabilis din yung generate mo ng bagong skin cells. So, kunwari, very dry yung skin mo, mas nagiging healthy siya tignan, mas parang nourished siya tignan. Kasi, yung exosomes, nagpa-participate siya sa skin cell renewal. So, hindi ka masyadong prone sa dry skin. Hindi mo kailangang isipin yung dry skin kapag ka nag-exosomes ka. Okay, so enough with exosomes. Let's go naman to NMN. So, what is NMN? Okay, dalawa yung ingredients, hero ingredient natin dito sa Exocelestial, right? The exosomes and the NMN. Oh, number 2 na tayo. NMN. NMN is a precursor to NAD+. So what does this mean? It means that NMN is a substance from which NAD+ can be produced. Eto naman, ano naman, 'di ba, kung napoproduce niya yung NAD+. Kanina ang sinasabi ko sa exosomes, ang tinutulungan niya sa pagpo-promote na para ma-produce kahit tumatanda na tayo is collagen. Dito naman, NAD+. Yung NAD+, importante siya sa katawan natin kasi 'pag tumatanda din tayo, nagde-decline din yung pag-produce ng NAD+ sa katawan natin. Pero importante kasi siya sa katawan natin kasi ito yung tumutulong sa pagre-regenerate ng tissues sa katawan. So, ayan, important siya sa skin cell renewal. And ayan, it acts of like a collagen in our body. That's where NMN becomes important because with NMN, it stimulates your body para mag-produce pa ng mas maraming NAD+. And in return, you can rip off the anti-aging benefits of NAD+ again. So to show you more of its benefits, first, it helps increase your energy level. So how? Kasi nga, 'di ba? Sa in-explain natin kanina, yung NMN, medyo nakakalito yung mga words nila ng NMN, NAD+. Yung NMN para siyang fuel, 'di ba? Kaya parang tumutulong din siya to increase your energy levels. And also, hindi lang po exosomes ang tumutulong sa collagen production. It is also NMN. And yung improved cellular health, paano naman niya na-improve yung cellular health natin? Dahil siya sa kapag meron kang NMN, magpo-produce ka ng NAD+. Tapos, yung NAD+, sorry, ma'am. Okay. Yes, ma'am Lucia Rivas. Why did you raise your hand, ma'am? You can chat sa type box, ay sa chat box po yung mga questions ninyo. Babalikan po natin later. So, ayan nga, yung improved na cellular health dahil siya sa NMN at NAD+, kasi yung NAD+, siya yung nagre-regenerate ng cells. So, kung tuloy-tuloy ang regeneration ng cells sa katawan natin, mai-improve yung cellular health natin. And in return, mas smooth yung balat natin, mas healthy tignan yung balat natin. And also, ang NMN kasi marami siyang sources, guys. Pwede mo siyang makuha sa food like broccoli, avocado, tomato, and other kinds of meat. Nagko-contain sila ng small amounts of NMN. However, yung small amount na yon na na-obtain natin through diet, it is very low. It's like generally really low. And it is challenging to get therapeutic doses through food alone. And another one is niacin, which is vitamin B3. Pwede mo din naman yan makuha with supplements. But the problem with this is the process is very complex once it goes to your body. And yung individual response kasi, nagva-vary siya from person to person. Which is why we use yeast as a natural source for our NMN. Because yeast is used to achieve higher and more consistent dosage in the formulation. And our NMN is from a legal and safe yeast source certified as the top tier NMN by Superlab and also halal certified. So, tingin nyo, why do these scientific journals compete to report on these ingredients alone? Kasi this is one of the top emerging ingredients for skincare. And of course, as I've said, it doesn't include any surgical procedure. Like, ano lang siya talaga, like cosmetic product siya. Pero hindi mo kailangan mag-shell out ng sobrang laking pera, hindi mo kailangan magpa-inject. Sorry. Nagpuputol-putol ba po ang aking presentation? I'm so sorry. And of course, yun na nga po, okay, going back, hindi tayo mag-shell out ng sobrang laking money with this product. Kaya medyo medyo gustong-gusto siya ng aralin ng iba kasi nga good talaga siya na product. Okay, so enough with these two power ingredients. Let us discuss these individual products. First one is our cleansing cream. Okay, our cleansing cream has plant extracts, of course, the patented exosomes and the NMN. It also has patented sulfoliants, patented biophytics, and amino acid. Okay, so we've discussed the patented exosomes and the NMN, right? It's good for anti-aging and for skin cell regeneration. The plant extracts, they are good for wound healing. The patented sulfoliants, it's good for combination to oily skin. Kasi sometimes tayo, kapag hindi din healthy yung balat natin and mga kinakain natin, nagkakaroon ng too much oil production sa skin natin. And yun yung nakaka-cause ng acne. Kasi parang naka-clog yung pores. And dito naman sa Biophytex, nakakatulong siyang even out yung skin tone mo. Kasi 'di ba kapag nagka-pimples ka, sometimes ang nangyayari, magkakaroon ng scars pag gumaling na. Tapos yung scars na yun minsan hindi na natatanggal. So para kang nagkakabutlig-butlig, 'di ba? So ayun, kaya nilagyan namin ng Biophytex yung cleansing cream namin kasi para dun sa mga acne scars na yun, mag-i-even out yung skin tone mo. And the amino acid naman, this one, the L-alanine, it helps with moisture levels in the skin. It provides hydration. Kasi, guys, hindi dahil oily yung balat mo, ibig sabihin, hydrated ka na. Oily doesn't mean hydrated. Sometimes yung pagiging oily, ibig sabihin, sobrang clog na ng pores mo. Kaya ayan, yun yung purpose ng amino acid natin, to make sure na hydrated pa rin yung skin natin. Okay. So, next one is, etong cleansing cream natin, how to use this one. You can use it after you wash your face. You just put a pea amount in your finger and then you gently massage it on your face. Okay, when it comes to skincare, guys, hindi porket marami kang nilagay, super effective na siya. Minsan, kahit onti lang yung nilagay mo, as long as natamaan mo yung ano ng balat mo, enough na siya. Kasi yung iba, minsan, parang nagugulat sila, oh, bakit parang ang bilis ko namang naubos to, ganyan. Kasi sobrang dami nilang nilalagay. Pero in reality, kahit onti lang ang ilagay mo with your product, as long as natatamaan niya or nako-cover niya yung balat mo, walang problema. And ito ang ating synergistic effect ng ating cleansing cream. Okay. So, for this one, it's good for sensitive skin. Why? Kasi mild lang po yung nilagay natin. What do I mean by mild? Mild doesn't mean na hindi effective. Mild means it contains little to no irritants. Kasi may mga skincare na, kunwari, bumili ka ng product, after you try it, parang ang hapdi sa feeling, di ba? Kasi ibig sabihin, sobrang taas agad ng percent ng actives na nilagay nila dun. When it comes to skincare kasi guys, you really have to look at the formulation. Kasi minsan, dapat, ano siya gradually siya ini-introduce sa skin nyo. Yung kung paano mo siya ilalagay, gradually siya ini-introduce sa balat. Hindi pwede yung kunwari kakalagay mo ngayon mataas na percent agad. Kaya yung iba nagbe-breakouts kasi kakabili lang nila ng produkto. Sobrang dami na nila agad nilagay. Kasi yung iba, hindi naman masyadong tumitingin sa formulation. Pero with our cleansing cream, kahit marami kang ilagay, since mild naman yung ingredients na nilagay natin, especially our surfactants, you can expect that this product will have little to no irritant effect. Okay, another one is oil control. Oil control and anti-acne. Okay, magkadikit tong dalawang to kasi kapag controlled mo ang oil production or sebum production sa pores mo, hindi ka prone sa acne. So ano yung mga ano natin diyan, yung mga pang-oil control natin. Yun yung Centella asiatica at saka yung Calendula. Okay, pati yung patented sulfoliances natin. Another one naman is for exfoliating our acids, mandelic acid and salicylic acid. This is AHA and BHA. If medyo addict kayo sa skincare, medyo addict kasi ako sa skincare, guys. Kapag medyo addict kayo sa skincare, alam nyo na yung BHA tsaka yung AHA, medyo sikat sila ngayon na mga product. Kasi dati hindi naman interesado yung mga tao sa ganyan. Pero just a fun fact, ang BHA, it's good for blackheads. As in, promise. Like, na-try ko na siya talaga. Yung BHA, dun lang nawala yung blackheads ko. Kasi kapag nagpapa-facial ka, 'di ba piniprick nila yung blackheads? Sometimes parang na-o-open masyado yung pores mo, tapos parang nasusugat na lang yung ano ng nose mo kapag pinapaalis mo yung blackheads. So ayun, parang medyo ayaw ko na. Ang gusto ko na lang, humanap na lang ng skincare na hiyang ko talaga na matatanggal yung blackheads ko. So nag-try ako ng BHA nga na salicylic acid, and guys, promise, it's really effective. Okay, enough of that. Another one is, ayan, yes, GL Jasmine Dosa. Yes, sobrang sakit talaga pag nagpapaalis ng blackheads. Actually, kaya din tanigilan ko yung pagpapaprick ng blackheads kasi talagang hindi ko kaya kasi minsan parang nagsusugat siya at saka yung ilong mo parang nabubutas. Okay, so ayun, kaya good siya for exfoliating, the mandelic acid and salicylic acid. And also for anti-aging, our patented exosomes and NMN nga. And for whitening and for moisturizing and pampasoft ng balat is the sodium hyaluronate. Ang actives po niyan ay hyaluronic acid. Feeling ko naririnig nyo yan kasi sobrang sikat niya kapag nang hindi mo namamalayan. Yes, Miss Abigail. Sobrang sikat niya, yung sodium hyaluronic acid, sobrang sikat niya. Madalas nakikita niyo siya sa mga lotion. Okay, yung lotion na ginagamit ko, yan lagi yung hinahanap ko. Yung may hyaluronic acid. Kasi nakaka-moisture talaga siya ng balat. And also, I am very proud to say that our formulation, it doesn't contain any harmful ingredients like yung mga SLS, phthalates, parabens, formaldehydes, which is very, very bad for our skin. Okay, so wala tayo niyan sa ating formulation. And aside from not having any harmful ingredients, the contents of our cleanser are patented, halal certified, and organic. So another thing that I love most about this cleanser is it's really good for those who have sensitive skin. Like it's actually good for all skin types because it only contains mild ingredients. Yun nga yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na mild ingredients siya pero effective. Kasi feeling ko wag kayong madi-discourage kapag ka sinabi sa inyo na mild ingredients lang yung laman nung ano. Kasi usually kapag ka sinabi mo na cleanser, yung gusto ng ibang tao parang dapat banat na banat yung balat nila. Like, alam niyo yung pag nilinisan niyo yung mukha niyo, yung after na feeling is banat na banat yung skin, parang tuyong-tuyo. Yung mga ganun, guys, yung mga ganun na effect na facial cream or facial cleanser, hindi siya actually ganun kaganda kasi ibig sabihin sobrang tapang nung actives. Dapat kapag maglilinis ka ng face mo, enough lang para malinisan siya pero hindi mo dapat nasi-strip off yung natural oil ng skin mo. Kasi yung natural oil ng skin mo, dapat like sakto lang, tama lang, ganun lang siya. Hindi yung nasi-strip off. Kasi pag nasi-strip off yung natural oil ng skin, mawawalan ka ng protection, 'di ba? So, ayun nga, this is our cleansing cream. And for our next product, this is the repairing essence. Ito yung sinasabi kong parang ang katumbas niya with makeup is primer. Ganyan. So, our advanced nano exosome repairing essence contains 37 active plant extracts, which is also used for healing, wound healing. It accelerates wound healing. Our patented Ocaline. Kaya natin siya tinatawag na repairing essence kasi nakakatulong siya sa mga stress skin and also for cleansing. Parang nire-revive niya yung patay mo na na balat. And another one is the Edelweiss extract. It fights the free radicals. Nag-a-act siya as antioxidant. Kaya nilagay yan kasi nga for repair, 'di ba? Ang purpose ng essence natin is to repair. Pina-fight niya yung mga free radicals na nakaka-cause ng wrinkles, age spots, or like sagging skin. And another one is the hyaluronic acid, my favorite, kasi nga meron siyang moisturizing effect. And for the botanical extract, syempre, it helps brighten your skin. Not brighten to the point na talagang wow, boom, maputi ka na. It brightens the skin in a way na nai-even out yung skin tone mo. Like, hindi ka nagkakaroon ng patchy-patchy. Pag tinignan mo yung balat mo, parang kumbaga ano siya, in balance, ganun. Nababalance yung kulay. How about melasma? Ma'am, matatanggal din po ba? Okay, Ma'am Regina, we'll go to that later kapag na-explain na po natin ng lahat ng ingredients. Okay. So, the next one is, oh, I'm so sorry, naglalag talaga siya. Ayan, paano naman ginagamit yung essence natin? Ang paggamit ng essence natin ay same lang, pea size lang din. You put it in your hand and then you gently pat it on your face. Meron pa pala akong, when you use toner, kapag gumagamit na kayo ng toner, guys, pero ito tip lang naman. Pag gumagamit kayo ng toner, guys, parang mas maganda kapag sa hands nyo na lang siya nilalagay. Hindi, kasi kapag ka sa cotton, minsan mas na-absorb pa ng cotton yung product kaysa na-absorb ng balat nyo. And medyo harsh kapag gumagamit ng cotton para iganon-ganon, ganon. Medyo harsh siya sa balat. So, mas maganda kapag ka-hands na lang yung gagamitin. Okay, so, ayun nga. And this repairing essence, nakaka-repair siya ng fine lines, wrinkles, ganon. Kasi 'di ba pag tumatanda tayo, yun na yung mga nakikita sa balat natin. Kaya siya tinawag na revival essence. Ito ang kanyang mechanism. So, meron tayong ascorbyl glucoside dito. It fades hyperpigmentation and dull skin. So, ayan, yung sinasabi ni ma'am, ganyan ginagawa. So, ganun ako ng Jeju lang. Okay, I love botanical. Yes, we should love botanical ingredients. Ma'am Regina, how about melasma? Okay, dito, kaya maganda tong product na to kasi nga, meron siyang ascorbyl glucoside. It fades the hyperpigmentation, yung uneven na skin tone, which is parang similar to the melasma, 'di ba? So, eto, kaya nakakatulong siya, in-exfoliate niya yon yung balat mo, yung dead skin cells. So, nagre-regenerate siya niya ng new skin cells na. Another one is the nonapeptide. Actually, this is one of the safest alternative to hydroquinone. I don't know if familiar kayo sa hydroquinone, pero medyo ano kasi yung hydroquinone, sikat din siya na ingredient for bleaching. For bleaching, ginagamit yung hydroquinone, guys. Parang ginagamit siya ng iba pampaputi. So, ayun, kaya hindi siya ganun kaganda. Dito sa product natin, kaya ang ginamit natin ay alternative for that is the nonapeptide. Kasi nga, nai-even out niya yung complexion ng skin mo and nagiging brighter pa yung skin mo without the harmful side effects kagaya nung meron sa hydroquinone. And meron din siyang hyaluronic acid, yun na nakakadagdag for moisturize. And another one, usually kapag mga brightening products, medyo hindi siya pwede sa mga buntis, 'di ba? So ayun, para mas safe lang yung formulation ng ingredients natin. And isa pa ang ating mga antioxidants, the vitamin B3, Scotellaria root, tapos the other Japanese Farcus, Citrus-pil, Houtonia cordata, nakaka-reduce siya ng dark spots. So, ang tawag dito sa mga to ay botanical extracts. It helps your skin free from radical damage. So, ano ba yung mga free radical damage? Yun yung mga molecules na nag-damage ng cells mo. Yun yung nakaka-contribute kung bakit ka nagkaka-fine lines, ba't ka nagkaka-wrinkles, ba't nagkakaroon ng age spots sa balat mo, dahil yun sa mga ganun. Kaya nilagyan natin ng mga ingredients na nakaka-reduce ng dark spots para doon. So, meron din tayong mga plant extracts. Yung mga plant extracts naman natin, yun yung nakaka-soothe ng allergy kapag prone ka sa rashes or sa redness. Ako din actually, medyo prone ako sa rashes. Like yung onting kamot lang, para ka nang nagsusugat agad. May mga ganun ba dito? Kapag yung parang onting kamot lang, parang bigla ka nang nagsusugat. Kasi ako ganun. So, yung mga pinipili ko na, yes, Ma'am Joanne and Ma'am Irene, yung mga pinipili ko na products, usually, dapat ano sila, very ano lang, mild lang, good lang for sensitive skin. Kaya nga excited ako with the Exo Celestial eh, kasi nung tinignan ko yung formulation, it's very mild and it's very good for sensitive skin. And of course, we also have the exosomes and NMN. It fights anti-aging. And also for our essence, it also includes patented and organic ingredients and also halal certifications for those ingredients. So ayun, masasabi mo talaga na effective siya. Para lang magkaroon kayo ng idea, guys. When I say the patented ingredients, it means it did undergo a lot of clinical trial para masabi mo na yung claims ng ingredient na yon talagang totoo siya. Like may resulta talaga na nangyayari yun. Kasi nga patented siya. Okay, so going back, with that mechanism for our ingredients, let's sum up yung effects ng ating repairing essence. This is good for healing and repairing damaged skin, like your stressed skin, very dry skin, or anything na feeling mo parang hindi na healthy tignan yung skin mo. Okay, it helps with those. Because minsan hindi ka nakakapaglinis ng maayos, hindi ka nakakapag-moisturize ng maayos, or maybe like different factors lang, babad ka sa araw kasi masama din yun sa balat, or may allergies ka. So ayan, this is good for those. For allergies, for brightening your skin, for repairing your skin. Okay. Yun, para doon po ang ating essence. Another one is our revival cream. Same as our cleanser, but the difference lies with the AT Calmist. This is a plant extract, okay? This is a good anti-inflammatory ingredient for your skin. Bakit? Same as the other ingredient, nakakatulong po siya to soothe redness and allergies. Medyo, parang ano ba, napapagtagpi-tagpi niyo na ba yung gustong iparating ng Exo Celestial? Like, nare-reverse niya yung aging effects. And also, so sobrang mild niya, nakakatulong siya with allergies. And hindi lang dun, nakaka-soothe siya ng skin, ng dry skin. So, ayun, paano nga gamitin yung cream na to? Itong cream na to, oh no, sorry. Ang cream na to, you like use it on your face, upward motion dapat. Pa-upward siya, pa ganon. And also, pea-size lang din, guys. Or kaya parang kahit yung pwede din naman pat nyo lang. Kasi dapat, pag nag-a-apply ng skincare sa balat, hindi siya super harsh, okay? Kailangan pat-pat lang as long as na-cover niya yung buong face nyo. And also, guys, don't forget to put din sa neck nyo pag nagsi-skincare kayo. Kasi, minsan, di ba nga, may mga brightening effect sila, di ba? May brightening effect yung ano natin, yung Exo Celestial natin. So, minsan, baka pag sa face nyo lang siya nilagay, yung neck nyo, hindi na pantay yung kulay sa face nyo. Kaya, ayun, importante din na pati yung neck nyo, sinasama nyo sa skincare. Okay, Ma'am Christina Ronda, kaya po ba i-cure ng Exo ang syndrome at Milia? Okay, babalik tayo dun sa kanina, 'di ba? Actually, with Milia kasi, yung mga nagpapagawa ng ganyan, parang more on nag-aano sila, nagpapa like yung sa cosmetic procedure, pinapaalis talaga nila. But this one, since it shed out, sinished niya yung dead skin cells mo and yung mga problem mo, you can also use this one. Kasi yung pagpapatanggal ng milya, it's actually expensive. So, habang wala pa, you can also use this, 'di ba? Kasi mas okay pa siya kesa mag-undergo ka ng procedure na hindi ka naman sure, baka mamaya after ng procedure na yon magkakaroon ka pa ng sugat-sugat, right? So, kaya bang tanggalin niya yung scars, ma'am? Yes, actually, it's good for scars. As what I've explained earlier nga, na parang ang ginagawa ng EXO is nire-repair niya yung damaged skin. And dun sa acne scars natin, ang ginagawa niya, nilalighten niya yon. And actually, kapag ka kasi may cell renewal or kaya skin cell regeneration, para kang nagshe-shed. So, bago na yung lumalabas sa skin mo, your skin will look more healthy and yung mga scars mo, nagpe-fade out sila. Ganun yung complex mechanism na ginagawa ng EXO with your skin. And for the mechanism for this third product, which is our Revival Cream, it helps repair skin lipid membrane. Ito yung sinasabi ko, guys, na good din siya for dry skin. Yung kanina, 'di ba, good for oily skin and sensitive skin. Ito naman good for dry skin. Kaya it's actually good for all skin types. Kasi meron siyang squalene, meron siyang vitamin E, tapos meron siyang titanium oxide. Those ingredients, it's good for those who have dry skin or is prone to have itchy skin because it works like parang ano, nag-a-act siya as skin oil para ma-prevent yung moisture loss. Kasi minsan batak na batak tayo maglinis ng mukha natin, nasi-strip off na natin yung oil. Ang purpose niya is ibalik yung oil production sa face mo. Another one is the vitamin A, vitamin B3, and ethyl ascorbic acid. I don't know if you guys are familiar with niacinamide. This is the vitamin B3. Sobrang sumikat din siya sa mga mahilig sa skincare. Yung, pwede ba ako mag-facial? Kahit nag-start ako. Also, pwede ba siya sa under eye? Yes, ma'am, of course. Ano pang may effect pang mahilig mag-motorcycle? Ma'am Presi or Sir Presi, we will discuss that, pag mahilig mag-motorcycle. And the fourth product. Okay, so going back nga. Meron tayong vitamin A, meron tayong vitamin B3, meron tayong ethyl ascorbic acid. These are all good for acne and hyperpigmentation. When I say hyperpigmentation, minsan ang cause ng hyperpigmentation natin ay yung acne scars. So yung nagtatanong kanina if it's okay with those that has scars, kung naaalis niya ba, nakakatulong po ang EXO. And also, we have the allantoin, good for dry skin because it hydrates just like hyaluronic acid. And the Centella asiatica, guys. This one in the anti-allergy, anti-inflammatory. Nakakatulong din siya sa wound healing and allergies. And ang ating mga plant extract, nagre-remove sila ng dark spots. So, as you can see, kaya sinasabi ko na good siya for scars kasi kapag nagkaka-scars ka, 'di ba, more on dark spots yung lumalabas. And yung mga ano natin, yung mga nandito sa ingredients list natin, ang pinaka tina-target nila is yung scars, para maalis yung scars. And kaya, kapag ka gumagamit ka ng ganito, pag 'di ba nagka-acne ka, magkakaroon ng acne scars, tapos mangingitim. Ang mechanism nitong product na to is kapag ka nilagay mo siya, it brightens out your skin. And minsan, kapag habang tumatanda ka na, yung tendency para gumaling yung sugat mo, mas bumabagal. So, ang nakatutulungan naman nun is dito sa anti-aging with the patented exosomes and NMN. Kasi nga, tinutulungan niyang mag-generate pa ng bagong skin cells para maayos yung function ng katawan mo. So, nare-reverse niya yung aging process sa face mo. See, just looking at the ingredients, you could really say that this one is worth your money. And sharing with you also patents and certifications we use for our Revival Cream. So to sum up what this Revival Cream does for us, it helps reduce your dark spots, it whitens and hydrates your skin, also anti-inflammatory and anti-allergy. And the most important is it helps with aging because of the exosomes and NMN. And for the last product, which is my most favorite actually, our sunscreen, just a little fan fact. Dermatologists recommend to use sunscreen with SPF ranging from 30 to 60 only. And our Exo Celestial, it has 30 PA++. So, ayun, swak siya dun sa recommendation ng ating mga dermatologist. And meron siyang amino acid, patented Antarcticin, patented Expert Moist, patented Apicin, and Apical Mist. Yung Expert Moist, from the name itself, it's for moisture. The Apical Mist, it's for wound healing and inflammation. And our Antarcticin, it is to boost elasticity, and collagen synthesis in your body. So, mas younger looking ka, mas healthy tignan yung skin mo. And of course, the patented exosomes and NMN, which reverses nga the anti-aging effects in your skin. The amino acid, proline, alanine, and serine, this acts as peptides. If familiar kayo, medyo sa skincare, sikat din yung mga peptides. Talagang yung peptides, ang role niya with the skin is for anti-aging din. Naaano niya yung fine lines. Like, kunwari dito, lalo sa mata, yung fine lines natin dyan, mas mabilis lumabas kasi lagi tayong nagsisquint ng eyes, ganun. Or kaya parang, ito yung pinaka gumagalaw. So, mapapansin nyo, pag sa mga matatanda, mas nauunang nagkakaroon ng parang mga fine lines dito sa gilid ng eyes. Ayun yung purpose din nung sa peptides natin. Nakakaalis siya ng fine lines, ng wrinkles. Yes, ma'am, peptide is like retinol. Pwede din ba siya sa nagpa-diamond pill and nag-rejuve? Of course, as long as yung rejuve, sometimes po kasi with the rejuve, parang masyadong matapang yung nilalagay nila. I think kapag ka nag-rejuve po kayo, better to stop the rejuve na and just use this Exo Celestial. Para iisa lang na lang po yung product na gamit nyo. Although pwede naman po siyang isabay, but I wouldn't recommend na isabay nyo siya with stronger actives. Kasi this one in itself, sobrang effective na. So, aside from that, this is how you will use your sunscreen. Syempre, P amount lang din. Dapat kapag sunscreen, onti-onti lang. Basta na cover niya yung buhok. And don't forget your neck, guys. Always don't forget your neck. Kapag nag-skincare kayo, wag na wag niyong kakalimutan ang neck ninyo sa pag-a-apply ng sunscreen. So, this is the mechanism for our sunscreen. It has amino acids, the proline, alanine, serine, and the Antarcticin, which is for hydrating. Also, for tranexamic acid, this is for whitening. And our plant extracts na nakakatulong sa allergies and inflammation. And of course, our patented exosomes and NMN, which is really, really good for anti-aging. And just to share with you why favorite ko ang sunscreen, guys. Pag sunscreen talaga, if you really, really don't want your skin to look parang matanda na, saggy, or like marami kang wrinkles, wag na wag mong kakalimutan mag-sunscreen. Yun lang talaga yung pinaka-advice na maganda for this one. Don't forget to use sunscreen. Okay. Another advantage nga of this product ay physical sunscreen siya. Okay, so meron kasing different types of sunscreen. Merong chemical sunscreen, merong physical sunscreen. Our sunscreen is a physical sunscreen, okay? Not that I'm saying na masama ang chemical sunscreen, but yung mechanism kasi ng chemical sunscreen for your skin is, 'di ba naglagay ka, i-absorb siya ng skin mo, tapos yung skin mo i-absorb din yung UV rays from the sun, tapos kino-convert niya yung heat, tapos ilalabas niya. So, all in all, parang naka-absorb ka din. Kaso nga lang may nilabas ka. Parang ganun yung sa chemical sunscreen. Unlike with physical sunscreen. Pag physical sunscreen, guys, it sits just on top of your face. Parang okay, ito, example ulit, Shopee. Ikaw yung Shopee, tapos may bubble wrap para protektahan ka. Ganun lang siya. Ganun lang yung physical sunscreen. Nandun lang siya sa ibabaw ng face mo. Tapos nire-reflect niya lang yung UV rays. So, wala kang naa-absorb. That's why, pinakagusto ko talaga physical sunscreen. And also, walang white cast. Madalas walang white cast with physical sunscreen. Kasi, 'di ba, ang ginagawa ng iba, moisturizer and then physical sunscreen and then makeup. Minsan, kapag nagme-makeup ka, may mga white cast. Like, mapapansin mo sa mga gilid-gilid dito, nagkakaroon sila ng yung parang may naiwan. And it's not good actually, hindi siya magandang tignan. Kaya for me, eto talaga, maganda ang physical sunscreen. And mas madali siyang alisin with cleanser, unlike with chemical sunscreen. Kasi guys, kapag may naiiwan na product sa balat ninyo, kunwari, di ba, morning, tapos after lumabas kayo, naglagay kayo ng mga sunscreen, makeup, tapos pag uwi nyo, lilinisin nyo yung face nyo, di ba? Tapos hindi nyo masyadong nalinis yung face nyo, nakaklog yung pores. Kaya nagkakaroon din kayo ng acne. Kaya for me, mas maganda kapag mas madaling alisin. So, ayun. And also showing with you different patents and certifications for the ingredients used in our sunscreen. And to sum up ang ating effect ng sunscreen, meron siyang protection from UVA and UVB damage. It is also good for whitening and hydrating. And it's good for allergies and inflammation. And of course, anti-aging. Okay. Ito yung sum up ng ating skincare routine for different skin types. Okay, so sino ba dito ang merong dry skin? Yung dry skin usually, nangyayari yan kapag sobrang grabe ka maglinis ng katawan mo. Kasi minsan hindi naman dapat masama talaga yung parang yung everyday din naglulupa, everyday nag-exfoliate. Kasi nasi-strip off nga yung natural oil. Yung oil, yun yung pumoprotect sa balat mo. Kaya minsan, akala mo malinis ka, pero pag tinignan mo yung balat mo, very dry. Okay, wait. Let's answer your questions after I show you the testimonials, guys. So, ito nga po yung ating skincare routine para sa iba't ibang skin types. So, we have 4 products, which is to cleanse, to activate, to repair, and to protect. The 4 major effects of our Exocelestial is to reverse signs of aging, to hydrate and moisturize, to even out your skin tone, minimize pores, and to brighten your skin. And also to protect your skin against harmful UV rays. So, this is our Exocelestial Thermal Revival Solution. Sharing with you some testimonials na nakaka-lighten talaga siya ng pimple marks. So, this is the before and this is the after. And also, na-reduce yung pore size niya. Guys, pansinin nyo, pag medyo acne prone kayo, mas malalaki yung pores na nakikita sa face nyo. And di ba ngayon, usong-uso yung glass skin, yung tipong dapat walang nakikita na pores sa face mo. Okay, another one is this one. It's good with skin lifting and lightening. So, you don't have to go HIFU anymore. You don't have to, do a gua sha massage on your face anymore. You can just use the EXO. Another is this one. Naglalighten. Actually, pag mga ganito na scars, guys, minsan parang for other people, wala nang pag-asa, 'di ba? Ang ginagawa na lang nila is ipapaderma na talaga. Pero ayun, because we have the Exocelestial na, at least, as you can see, guys, 'di ba? Na naglighten talaga yung pimple marks niya. Another one is this one. Ayan, naka-reduce ulit ng pore size and mas nag-hydrate yung skin. Before we showed this to you guys, we tested it muna talaga. And another one is this, nakaka-lift siya ng skin. How does it lift the skin, right? Because of the exosomes and the NMN. After 30 days of using Exocelestial. Also, another one, the wrinkle reduction. Guys, sobrang, alam nyo, effective talaga yung mga ganun na skincare, yung nakaka-reduce ng wrinkles. Before, sobrang dedicated ko sa pagsi-skincare ko. Kahit anong galaw ko, akala nung iba, nagpapa-botox ako sa noo. Kasi hindi ako nagkakaroon ng wrinkles there. Pero since ngayon medyo hindi ko na natutukan yung pagsi-skincare ko. So, parang nagkaroon ng isang line. Isa lang naman. Pero ayun, okay. Another one is this. It lightens the pimple marks and nakaka-hydrate siya ng skin. So, guys, This is our exocelestial. I hope you learned a lot. So now we can answer the questions. Okay. Lucia, you're raising your hands. Okay, wait lang. Hahanapin muna natin ang pinaka-short ng question. Actually, guys, if you want na mag-unmute, pwede din naman para may kausap ako, di ba? You can do so para we can make this training interactive. This one, the chilitrapid, peptide is safest than retinol kasi may tingling effect ang retinol. And hindi po lahat may hiyang sa retinol. Kasi minsan yung iba parang nagkakaroon sila ng purging with retinol. Nagugulat sila, parang biglang lumalabas yung acne nila kapag ka nag-retinol sila. Ilang days ilang days bago mag-start kaya pala naiwan sag ang neck barrier. Kasi guys, kaya yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na you have to use this kasama yung neck nyo. Kasi 'di ba anti-aging siya. Tapos naglagay kayo sa face nyo, tapos face lang yung nilagyan nyo. Baka naman yung neck nyo, marami ng wrinkles or saggy na, pero yung mukha nyo, mukha pang 18 years old. See? Also, ilang minutes po ang interval bago apply ang next step. Usually with me, I wait for 5 minutes. 5 minutes para lang ma-absorb pa ng balat ko yung lahat ng pinaglalagay ko, and then next product, and then after 5 minutes ulit, and then next product. Ganun usually yung ginagawa ko with my skincare routine. But anyway, I think naman wala namang problema if you want to like 1 minute lang, 2 minutes, or kung gusto mo pagkalagay mo, pwede mo na siyang ilagay. Pero ako, I believe it's better if 5 minutes para talagang absorb muna ng skin mo yung product. Nag-start na ako mag-exo. And I'm planning magpalinis ng face like facial sa derm clinic. Okay lang po ba? Actually, it's up to you. It's just that ang exo kasi, it's good also for maintaining your skin. But if you want to do facial, you can do so. But I don't think it's necessary pa to do facial. Kasi with exo pa lang, you rip off the benefits na pwede mong makuha sa facial. Kasi usually with facial, 'di ba, it's for exfoliating your face. Yung exo, it has a lot of ingredients that also exfoliates. Easy can lessen ba the eye bags? Usually, kasi, di ba, dito nga sa exo, parang nakaka-remove siya ng dark spots and nakaka-lift siya. Tsaka parang yung anti-aging niya, medyo nagta-tighten yung face mo. So, I think, mas effective din siya sa eye bags. Kasi nga nakaka-tighten tapos 'di ba dark yung sa nag-e-even out siya. So nawawala yung eye bags mo. Pero baka naman gamit ka ng exo tapos nagpupuyat ka din, 'di ba? Hindi maalis yung eye bags nyo. Pwede po ba sa buntis? Okay, this question, I think it's better if you look at the ingredients list dun sa mismong packaging because marami kasing bawal na ingredients sa buntis, lalo kapag sensitive skin sila. Maraming binabawal sa kanila. So, just to be very, very, very cautious and para din safe tayo, it's best, I think, to consult their dermatologist first or their OB-GYN just to ask if yung product na yon ay pwede ba sa kanila. Any product po ba na nagko-contain ng AHA or BHA and niacinamide is good for the skin po ba? Okay, this question is good because yung skin natin nagva-vary yan from person to person. Pwedeng ako, okay sa akin ng AHA or BHA. Pwedeng sa ibang tao, hindi okay sa kanila ang AHA or BHA, right? Kasi sa akin, ang niacinamide, nagkaroon ako ng face na parang hindi ko ganun kahiyang yung niacinamide. Pero ngayon, hiyang ko na siya. I don't know. Minsan kasi parang depending sa reaction ng face eh. Pero not necessarily na AHA and niacinamide is bad. It just depends sa gumagamit, like sa user. Pero, ang effect ng AHA, BHA, good talaga siya. Kung hiyang mo siya ha, kung hiyang mo yung product, good talaga yung AHA and BHA kasi nakaka-exfoliate siya, guys. Nakaka-exfoliate siya ng skin. Ang nangyayari is, kagaya ngayon nung blackheads na sinasabi ko, kapag nagpapaprick ako, like sa facial, kapag pinapaprick ko before, sobrang sakit. Tapos, ano lang pala, AHA, BHA lang pala makakatulong dun sa pag-alis ng blackheads ko. Hi, is there a specific condition that should exercise caution in using Exocelestial, for example, psoriasis or other skin-related, and does the answer apply to all 4 products of Exo? Okay, this one's remark, as I've said po kanina, ang Exocelestial, it contains all mild ingredients only. So, for me, hindi po dapat parang magiging bad ang Exo sa iba. Like, kahit may skin condition ka pa, I think you can still use it kahit meron ka pang skin condition kasi nga, mild lang po siya. And just to be super sure, you should do a patch test first. Okay, yung patch test, guys, you can do here. Lalagay ka ng small amount here or also like dito sa elbows. Pwede ka maglagay doon. Tapos, antayin mo muna. I think parang siguro mga 1 day. Tignan mo kung nagkaroon ka ng reaction with the product. So, kung wala naman, edi it's good, you can use it. I don't think merong sakit na hindi pwede this one unless merong sinabi yung doctor mo na ganitong ingredient ay iwasan mo. Then it's up to you to look at the formulation kung bawal ba siya sa'yo, 'di ba? Pero ayun, just to be safe lang, do a patch test first dun sa product para hindi mo na hindi magkakaroon ng allergic reaction kasi baka nilagay mo na siya sa buong face mo tapos hindi mo pala hiyang. Pero I don't think so kasi very mild talaga yung ingredients. Kahit ako, nung nakita ko yung formulation, very mild yung ingredients. Unlike sa iba, na makikita mo, sobrang taas kagad ng actives. Kasi with skincare, the lesser the better. Kapag nag-start ka kagad na mataas, tapos hindi mo pala hiyang, ayun, dun nagkakaroon ng purging. Pero dito sa Exo, since very mild nga yung gamit natin, I don't think magkaka-purging. Hi ma'am, ask ko lang po, pwede din po ba yan kasama ang neck na gamitan ng Exo? Yes po! You should. You should. Kailangan isama nyo po talaga yung leeg ninyo sa paglalagay. Kasi nga, magiging hindi even yung face ninyo. Like yung itsura ng balat ninyo, pwedeng maputi yung mukha mo, tas yung neck mo hindi maputi. Ma'am, may age bracket po ba? Pwede na ba yan sa mga teen na prone sa acne? Okay, this one, again, the Exo has very mild ingredients in its formulation. So I think it is safe for teens to use. Ma'am, how can Exo help sa mga may melasma? Kasi ngayon, di ba, mostly problem ng mga tao is melasma. So ma-address ba ito ng Exo? Okay, this one, I think yes, of course. Kasi melasma nga is more on hyperpigmentation part, right? And most ingredients that is in the formulation of Exo, it targets hyperpigmentation. Also hypopigmentation din. And our sunscreen, I think kasi guys, you really, really have to use sunscreen para din maiwasan yung ganitong conditions like the melasma. Pwede na po ba sa mga teen na prone sa acne? Okay, I answered that one, yes. Kaya po ba maglighten ng freckles through Exo? Okay, this one, kaya po ba maglighten ng freckles through Exo? Okay, some ingredients, it reduces dark spots. So yes, it could lighten some of your freckles. Ako, pinapatuyo ko muna para mas mag-penetrate baga. Okay, thank you, Ma'am Shilit, for sharing that. Papatuyo muna sa electric fan. Okay, that's also good para mag-penetrate muna yung ingredients. Do you still recommend applying makeup after the sunscreen? Actually, yes, I do that. I still apply makeup after the sunscreen. But just make sure na parang na-absorb muna. Yun nga, dapat meron ka pang downtime. Like, na-absorb muna ng balat mo. And then you use the makeup na. Wow, hello po, can we buy it by one item only instead of by set, since Dr. Katapang mentioned before, is for aging. The other one is for teens or not so old one, which is not entitled for aging po. I think for that one, if you can buy it by set or just one lang, that question should be answered by, I think, Ma'am Claymar.
Yes,
Wala
ma'am, you can
naman.
buy it per product po.
Okay, per product.
Yeah, you
According to
can.
Ma'am Claymar, pwede daw po by product.
Yes. For example, kunwari, you buy it in set tapos hindi pa na-consume lahat or mabilis kasing maubos yung essence or yung cream, then you still have the cleanser, then yes, you can buy individually naman po. But yeah, we
Okay.
really recommend to try the whole set.
Yes, we really recommend. Kasi 'di ba, Ma'am Claymar, parang binili mo na din naman na yung isa, why not try it all, right?
True,
'Di
true.
ba?
This
At
is
saka
for
ano,
normal skin naman, for normal skin, for dry skin. So it's
all,
for all skin types.
yes, exactly. It's all for ano. And ito, may isa pang question. Kung oily ang skin, meaning di na pwede i-apply ang third bottle and repair TY. Okay, so dun sa nakita nyo sa PowerPoint, ang nakalagay kasi, 'di ba, for the, wait, babalikan natin siya, guys. Ang nakalagay dun sa skincare routine natin. So, kapag ka oily skin, hindi na gumagamit ng third. It doesn't mean na hindi nakalagay dito is hindi mo na pwedeng gamitin. I think you can still use it, but maybe like once a day only para hindi na natitrigger yung excess na oil production or sebum production sa face mo. So, ayun. I think I have skin asthma and EXO is perfect for my skin. Yes. I think it's also good kasi it only has mild ingredients. Pang matagalan o lifetime na ba ang effect like for wrinkles, melasma pag nalit? Okay, this one, kailangan mini-maintain nyo siya, guys. Hindi pwede yung kunwari 1 month, gumamit ka, hindi ka nagagamit next month, pero ine-expect mo, nare-rip off mo pa rin yung benefits. 'Di ba? Kailangan, kung ginamit mo siya ngayon, you should also use it for the succeeding months para makita mo pa rin yung effect niya. How about sa mga nagbabakbak na face due to that? See, 'di ba, nakakatakot talaga magpagawa na kasi minsan hindi mo palahiyang nagkakaroon ng bakbak na face. For how long? For how long? I think 3 months or more yung best talaga. That's the protocol for every skincare. Para makita mo yung best effects, you should use it 3 months or more. What is the right application? Sunscreen first before makeup as if, or should be makeup then sunscreen? I go sunscreen first. Sunscreen first and then makeup. Tapos, more questions. Where does the exosome come from? Animals. Exosomes come from tissues, guys. Fat tissues, like the adipose tissue. Okay, so do you have any more questions?
All right. Yes. So for the question, where does this exosome come from? Yes, Miss Eliza is right. It's from the fat cells, fat tissues of humans po. No, ayan. So the Respera, Silicon Valley, were able to get from healthy women ng mga fat cells, and that's where they extracted the exosomes. So meaning it's from human, so little rejection yon if we will be using it. Di ba, Miss Eliza?
Yes po. Okay, another question po, kung nasa bahay lang, pwede hindi na gamitin ang sunscreen. Actually, ako, kahit nasa bahay lang, parang nakasanayan ko na lang din kasi na gumamit. So, I still use sunscreen. Kasi minsan, di ba, kahit nasa bahay ka lang naman, hindi ka ba lumalabas kahit tumingin sa bintana. Right? Para
Yeah,
lang
and
protect
even the
pa rin yung
lights, it
skin.
also
Yeah,
has
even,
UV.
exactly, ma'am. You're right, Ma'am Claymar. Hindi po kaya magkaroon ng skin reaction if gumagamit ka ng EXO tapos mag-makeup ka ng ibang brand? No naman, no. Hindi naman magkakaroon ng reaction ng EXO if nag-makeup ka with other brands. Kasi nga, as I've said, guys, very mild yung ingredients na meron ng EXO. So, sobrang little nung chance na magkakaroon ng irritation even if hinalo mo din siya with other products. Tapos, pwede po ba sa... Okay, I think I've answered this question already. Okay. What about you, Ma'am Claymar?
Ayan. Alright. So, thank you very much, Ma'am Eliza. Ang dami
Thank
mga
you so
questions
much.
ng
Yes,
ating
thank you so
believers.
much, guys.
Yes, since this is the first that we have a Zoom training in depth of
Oh,
Exocelestial. Yeah, that's why we have a
I'm
lot
very
of questions.
happy to be one of the first trainers, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you very much. Ayan. So, I think yung mga other questions nasagot na rin ni Miss Eliza kanina.
Yes.
So, we will also be having, we will be releasing FAQs of Exocelestial. So, it will be easier for you to know more about the product and how you can be able to share it to your prospects as well. Right? So, ganun kaganda yung ating Exocelestial. It's also good for all skin types. And at the same time, yung repairing niya, nakikita nyo naman kanina with the help of exosomes. And si NMN, nagbibigay ng power sa ating mga cells. Ayan, so parang for example, sa isang sasakyan, kailangan mo ng gasolina, di ba? And yun ang ginagawa ng ating NMN. So, it's really helpful
It
as
fuels up your
yeah,
cells.
totoo. It fuels up your cells. Ayan, so thank you very much.
Ma'am, can we have a picture
Yeah,
taking?
sure, no problem.
I just
Ayan,
want to...
believers, can you
So we can
please
have
turn on
ano.
your cameras? Ayan, para meron tayong
Okay.
picture with Ma'am Eliza.
Thank
Ayan.
you so much, guys, for listening. I hope you learned a lot about EXO because this
Mm-mm.
is really a good product. Kasi kahit ako excited, as a fellow skincare enthusiast, I really like this one.
Super
Okay,
true.
so
Ayan. All right,
let's
so
take a picture.
look at your cameras. 1, 2,
1,
3.
2, 3, go!
Ayan. Nakuha mo ba, ma'am?
Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much, guys,
Alright.
for listening.
Yes, thank you very much, GFox believers.
Thank you, Ma'am Claymar.
Yeah, so this training is
Thank you, Ma'am
recorded, so
Claymar.
we will be
See you soon
sharing this one
again.
then. Ayan. Alright, so have a great day, GFox believers. Bye-bye po.
Thank you.
Thank you.